Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, March 17th, 2025, we're taking a look at USDCAD, combining both news and chart analysis to make sense of recent market movements. Recent Google searches highlight cautious trading near 1.4350, with the Fed's policy taking center stage. We're also seeing concerns mount domestically within Canada. There's a lot to unpack, including potential impacts from tariffs, which the investing.com.za summary details. Let's dive into the charts and see how these factors are playing out. Looking at the one-day chart, we see a lot of volatility over the past few months, with some big swings. We can see some massive drops followed by small gains, or smaller drops followed by larger gains. Notice the significant drop around late October 2024 and another one mid-December 2024. These major moves could be correlated to specific news events or shifts in market sentiment, as mentioned in the search results. Now, let's zoom in on a more recent time frame to get a clearer picture of the current trend. We can filter the chart to show data from the beginning of 2025. Notice this downtrend, which we can see starting around late February and early March. The overall trend seems to show a general downtrend overall since late February. Switching to the 1-hour chart allows us to examine these recent movements with greater precision. Looking at just the last few days, you can see how choppy the price action has been. The FX Street article mentioned that USDCAD trades cautiously, so it is important to keep that in mind when looking at shorter-term charts. If we narrow the time frame to the last 24 hours with the 15-minute chart, we can observe the immediate price action. We're seeing very little significant movement, perhaps a sign of consolidation before a bigger move, or perhaps we're in for further consolidation. We are nearing the close of market day, so we will see a larger candle representing the close, which may provide greater insight. Now, recapping some key levels, we need to watch the resistance around 1.4541 and 1.4629 mentioned in the Action Forex technical outlook. On the downside, support levels to monitor are 1.4238 and 1.4150. A break below these could signal further bearish momentum. Based on the current volatility and the potential impact of tariffs, I'd say there is a 60% chance we see USDCAD testing the 1.42 support level in the short term, with a break below dependent on how the trade situation unfolds. Conversely, there is a 40% chance we see USDCAD retest 1.4629 if the U.S. economic data comes in stronger than expected. Keep an eye out for Canadian inflation data releases and any statements from the Bank of Canada, as these events can significantly impact the Loonie. Also, pay close attention to any news regarding U.S. tariff policies, as this remains a major risk factor for USDCAD traders. For longer-term position traders, be careful trading the pair during Australian and Tokyo sessions due to increased spreads and lower liquidity. Remember to always manage your risk and trade responsibly. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.